Hey, greetings, Master Water here. Here's a quick tutorial on Sinawali with short weapons. If you have, let's say you don't have the weapon, just to show you which way you're striking with the bag over here. Let's say it's just a palm. Palm this way, and then the other side. Palm this way, palm this way. And now high, low, palm to the ear, palm to the hip. High, low, palm to the ear or neck, palm to the hip. Low, low, palm to the hip, same side, palm to the neck. Low, low, palm to the low side, palm to the neck. Low, 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 palm, low hip, palm, low hip. But actually it's leg, knee. Palm, low knee, palm, low knee. And as we're doing that with the Sinawali here, either open stance, closed stance, or reserve stance, we go here. Palm, high, high. And then we go the other side. Always start with your right side. High, high. Now we go palm, palm to the neck, palm to the left knee. Palm, knee. Now lows to the knee and the same side. Palm facing, here, here, low, high, and then low knee. Switch around so it's palm, 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 palm. To do it all the way through. High, 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 high. Low, low, high, low, high, low, low. And there you have it. Okay, any questions? We look forward to seeing you again real soon. Bye, everybody.